This is our town area. Nearby small town. Have magaza shop. There have masjid and everything. This is town area. You can see. Yeah, some magaza. Assalamu alaikum. On the way we have to walk. Vehicle slipping. Difficult to walk. When we walking also sometimes we fell down. It's everything it will happen in the snow life. So see the beauty of snow beauty. The tree. See on this tree. MashaAllah. See like this. This is all road, all completely snow. More snow. Here too much people using new model cars also have too much people using. If snow time they using Russian vehicle. This is Russian vehicle, Lada. Company brand is Lada. 4x4. It's very heavy and powerful engine, like 2500 something cc. Also this car same. Another car model also have. This is look like SUV. The another one there you can see. I'll show you. See, new vehicle Benz also have. It's very snow time they see Benz have. But this is the other car model. Before one is used like Lada. This is Lada car sedan version. This is also 2500 cc. See, but heavy car, strong. New model cars also have, but too much people using this one. See the beauty of snow, all complete road. More than continually maybe 5, 6 days, 8 days it's snowing. So this is snow life. Children's playing in the snow. Okay, it's dangerous when we walking on the road also. If we didn't see the vehicle behind coming, if they put brake, they can't stop. So you have to watch everywhere when we walking near to the road. Like this. See, car can't move. So very difficult sometimes. See how far going is playing. Gosh. If there's no come they play. It's interesting for see. Children's playing. Salam alaikum.
Alam deşirərsən sən o, gəlməzsizlər. Mən gedirəm. Polis attı gəlir. Düşey düşmürəm, işimiz bu çox xeyirsiz olsun. Dur. Ana etsin, bu dolar toxuşur. Aha. Aha.
Playing on the snow. Yes, you can see all snow everywhere. See, there also you can see all mountain also completely snow filled, but you can't see the difference between mountain and sky because all white, right? But now I think you can see the difference. Yes, this is mountain, over there white. These are all mountains, completely snow. Yeah, before also I show you one tourist attraction place. That one also I can show again. That place also will be filled with snow, so I will show you. Just give me a minute. That is that place behind these all mountains. See, see the beauty. This is attraction place, I said. Diri Baba. If you Google, you can see the Diri Baba Torbasi. If you type, then you can see the place. This is snow time. This is black color. You can see this is cave. This old cave. All people live there. Have story 4,000 years before. Before also I show you same place. This is snow time. See the beauty. After this all mountain far away, you can see the mountain. They also come. See, I told you here when snow coming, they taking all vehicles, like Russian vehicles. I don't know why. Maybe it's easy to going on the snow. Easy to drive. So this all from far away you can see these all mountains, but I don't know how clear you can see. See, all completely snow.